Hey y'all, I'm Michael Lee from Backwoods Life. I want to show you all the new smartphone adapter from Hawke Optics. This is a super handy little tool to have so you can get great photos and videos on your phone, your mobile phone, with your optics. So I've got one of the smaller spotting scopes from Hawke right here. But out of the box, the adapter looks just like this. Very simple to use. One thing you want to start with first though is you may or may not have this piece, the little screw in piece, on the top or the bottom. Just depends on how it comes out of the box for you. So most of the ones we've seen have been in this bottom piece. So with them being in the bottom piece, there's your slide to be able to put your phone into this place, but you can't get to this piece. So what you have to do is take the little screw-in lockdown piece, move it to the top, screw it back in. Now you can get to it after you put your phone in here. So this is the iPhone 15, the biggest one iPhone on the market right now, I think. It simply slides in there like that. Now you can use this piece on the back side to line up your camera into the appropriate slot right here. So no matter what kind of phone you have, you can move this around, up and down, left or right, until you get your camera lens perfectly aligned with the hole on this adapter. Then what you'll do is you want to lock it down, and now this piece squeezes just like this to go on the end of any of your optics. So like on the spotting scope here, you simply squeeze this piece, lock it down. There you go. Open the camera on your phone, and there you are. And you can manipulate it to move the circle wherever you want it into your phone. And then you want to use the photo or video feature on here, and you don't want to go to, like, this phone has the 0.5 setting. You don't want to go to that. It distorts it and it doesn't work really well. So you want to stay on one power to start with, and then you can zoom in and manipulate it as you need to. And I haven't got this one lined up perfect yet, but that's how it attaches on there. Really simple to use. It's got the adjustments, like I said. It fits just about any phone out there. We hadn't seen one that doesn't fit yet. But in a larger phone like mine, you may want to take the case off to use it. But most of the smaller phones, we hadn't had any problems with. So you can manipulate this around to fit however you like. Once you lock it in, you've also got the portrait or the landscape. So, you know, if you're on a device like this smaller spotting scope, now your handle won't be in the way. So you can move it around, or you can put it on this way, however you like. Just simply squeeze, put it on, and there it is. My phone's a little heavy on this end, so it's tilting a little bit, but that's pretty much how it goes on this. You can put this on your binoculars. You can use it on any brand of spotting scopes. Obviously, we'd love for you to use Hawke spotting scopes for binoculars, but the smartphone adapter, super handy little gadget. You can plop it around on any of the optics that you want to. It works with every smartphone that we've seen so far. Really handy little thing. Very, very inexpensive in the big scheme of things for what it does. Very easy to take on and off. Carry with you. There you go.